In this video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your identity on MEXC. First, you will need to sign into your account and then click on the profile icon found in the top right corner. And here, underneath security, we'll see identification. Click on identification. This page is going to look like this, and you have two methods of identification. So you have primary KYC, and it's only going to require your ID, and also you have advanced KYC, which is going to be recommended, and it's going to require your ID as well as setting up facial recognition. Now right here, let's say that we want to do the advanced KYC. You will click on verify via web. You can also do this from within the app, and it's going to ask you for your country of region and also what type of ID will you be using, such as ID card, driving license, passport, or residence permit. And I'm just going to leave it as an ID, and it's going to tell us to follow these steps. So I'm going to click on next. Okay, so here it's going to show you the requirements. Make sure your ID is visible, it's not cropped, blurred, or there's a reflection in it. And you will have to upload a photo of the front of your ID and also the back of your ID. Afterwards, you will click on continue, and then it's going to ask you to set up the facial recognition. And as long as your ID, the face on your ID and your very own face match, then this is going to verify your identity on MEXC. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.